Hi everyone, I'm Leon Thomas Lewick. Here's your political news roundup for Tuesday, December 3rd. The financially strapped city of Detroit, Michigan got some welcome, but not what most would consider positive news today. A judge ruled the city can remain under Chapter 9 bankruptcy. The ruling protects Detroit from lawsuits or other steps that could interfere with its moves to cut costs and reduce benefits to employees and retirees. Judge Stephen Rhodes said the city would be legally entitled to cut pension payments as part of its plan to erase about $18 billion in debt. Detroit filed for bankruptcy in July, becoming the biggest U.S. municipality yet to officially go broke. Overseas, Vice President Joseph Biden spent the day in Tokyo. It's the first stop on his move to reduce mounting tensions between Japan and China. The trip comes following China's recent declaration that it controls the airspace above an area of the East China Sea that Japan also claims. This was originally planned as a trade mission, but the rising tensions between the two eastern countries led Biden to shift focus. He travels to China later today for meetings with officials there in hopes of reducing the regional tensions and, he hopes, avoiding any chance of military conflict. The revamped government sign-up website for the insurance under the Affordable Care Act is running but still experiencing bugs and delays. Meanwhile, President Obama touted the national health care program today. At a White House event, Obama pointed out the law ends discrimination against people with existing conditions and lets young people stay on their parents' plans until age 26. And House Speaker John Boehner is rejecting claims that the session of Congress has been a do-nothing session. Boehner said the number of bills passed by the House this year far exceeds what he says was a paltry number approved by the Senate. Recent reports show this session of Congress has passed fewer laws than any Congress in modern history. By the way, the House is scheduled to work just 8 more days between now and January 7th, when its second session officially begins. In 2013, the House was in session for 126 days. The congressional schedule for the House to be in session is for just 113 days in 2014. That's your political news roundup for Tuesday, December 3rd. I'm Leon Thomas Lewick. Stay logged on to rttnews.com for the latest political, economic, and stock market news all day long.